Welcome! My name is Aleksandra Skawina and I am excited to share with you a few things about the freshwater habitat and bivalves according to Life Below Water Sustainable Development Goal. During this lecture you will learn a little about why humans need freshwater environments. You will meet large freshwater bivalves called unionoids, and you will touch on the topic of environmental protection actions. Despite the fact that freshwater are the tiny part of total water on Earth, humans need freshwater environments. The freshwater environments, the streams, rivers, lakes, ponds and swamps, they are needed for many reasons. Freshwater is necessary as a source of drinking water, for agriculture and food sector, and for industry or energy. Freshwater environments also have a value simply as ecosystems. These ecosystems are significant to human civilization as well as local cultures development. Freshwaters are part of the global water cycle and influence both the terrestrial and marine ecosystems. They have an impact on microclimate and play a role in nutrient cycles. But because of freshwaters that contain fewer mineral salts than seawater, this environment can be challenging for organisms. For example, water enters the cells by osmosis and puts pressure inside them. Thus, freshwater organisms are specialized. They evolved adaptations to survive in this environment. The example of such specialized organisms is the large freshwater bivalves called unionoids. These bivalves live within sediments of streams and lakes worldwide and have been known since the Triassic. They are known as important engineers of the ecosystem. For example, they feed by filter feeding. They, by this, remove particles suspended in water. This ability of removing particles suspended in water improves the quality of the environment and has an impact on other members of the ecosystem. Unionoids also aerate sediments by remorking and may serve as a kind of producers of food. Their feces can be consumed by other organisms, themselves can be consumed by other organisms. But they have additional role in their ecosystem. They also act as parasites of fish. Their larvae require spending some time attached to the fish body. This enables them to travel upstream and is an evolutionary adaptation for safe dispersion in freshwater. Because the freshwater commonly have unfortunate characteristic of ending in the sea. So, the larva travels with the fish and also some nutrients are captured this way. Moreover, these bivalves exhibit parental care. The females brood of offspring in their gills before the larvae are ready to be released to attach the fish. Some species even lure their future hosts to facilitate this attachment of the larva. That all makes unionoids exceptional and needed members of freshwater ecosystems. Unfortunately, these bivalves are today among the most imperiled groups worldwide. In the West Palearctic, thus Europe, these bivalves live in freshwaters that humans have impacted, drained, polluted, reshaped for millennia. These activities also influence the bivalves' fish host species. Thus, with growing understanding of importance of the role of these bivalves, what they serve in their ecosystems, there is an increasing need to protect and support them in their natural habitat. The actions must be developed based on knowledge and evidence to provide accurate solutions to stop the loss of unionoid biodiversity and allow them to serve their natural services that we need. For example, because of their biology, the legal protection should consider including their environment and fish host. The current actions include identifying their distribution, as well as considering the climate crisis impact on their biology and survival, and It's important also to support their most critical stage in the life cycle, the gathering of a proper host, thus development of captive breeding possibilities. So, during this lecture, you learned that humans depend on freshwaters both historically and today. You met unionoids, large freshwater bivalves that are essential members and natural engineers of freshwater habitats. And beside their long history, reaching up to the Triassic, they are today at risk of extinction. You also touched on an evidence-based conservation approach to protect these important bivalves. Thank you for your attention.